Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in the subscription, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. Alright, so let's see what we have. Am I going to be able to untie this? I have a knife here. Okay. Right, so here is, in case you're new to this, here is a piece of paper, and when you open this, inside there will be a link. You put the link in, and it will take you to a video tutorial showing you how to make two projects that are in this box. It's usually a necklace and a bracelet, but sometimes it's earrings. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh wow. I have gotten this bead in the past. Only one time though. It was green. Picasso. Look at that. So pretty. This reminds me of the really fancy acrylic beads that I'm obsessed with. I think they're like called Old World beads or something like that. So those are awesome. Very fancy. Okay, we have some chain in here. Looks like cable chain. And I think I have about a foot of it. I love this style of chain. There is so much that can be done with it. It's my favorite. I love the cable chain. I love Rollo chain. Cable chain, I'm realizing, has more flat links. See how the links are flat? And then the Rollo is rounded. Here are some crimp beads. Now they do give us extra crimp beads. So I know there's like 6 in there, but I don't know if it's going to be a multi-wrap or not. I love these little flowers. I don't think I have this. That's cute. I wonder what this looks like before it's table cut, because this is a table cut flower. I don't know if that's a Hawaiian flower or not. I don't think so. No, I don't think it's Hawaiian. But I wonder what it looks like before they cut it. Okay, and we have some bead string wire in gold. Oh my gosh, I love this color. So this one's different. I do have this in my stash. I think I have this one in yellow. And those are different. This one kind of looks like a pie. Because it's just petals and no center. Yes, I think I like this one more. This orange is awesome. It's a dark orange. Love that. And the Picasso on this one, see that? It's really pretty. Picasso seems to show up really good on certain colors. It looks amazing on red, on black, turquoise, and green. I like orange too. And I don't see orange very often. Oh, we got red in there. Here are some oval jump rings. These are the best. They don't open up as easily as the round ones. And we have 2 lobster claw clasps. So we might have a necklace and a bracelet here. And here are some red flowers. Oh, gorgeous. See how pretty the Picasso is on these? It really shows up, stands out. Love it. Is this going to be a floral themed project? Here's some more. I like this color. I've been collecting this color a lot. I don't see it very often. I have like one compartment in my entire bead box that has this beige color check bead. I have different shapes. Isn't that pretty? Those are really gorgeous. Love those. That's kind of big, by the way. It's about the size of a dime or a penny. jump rings. I think those are 8 or 10 millimeter. And more beads. Leaves. Oh my gosh, we have turquoise Picasso leaves here. Check leaves. Beautiful. Now these beads here are dirty. Do not let these beads get on your light colored mat. Like this mat here, it would stain it. See the rusty looking area there in the veins? That will come off. I guess it's just a part of how they're made. But they are my favorite beads. I love them. Here are some more jump rings. These are huge. Very big. Looks like we have more leaves in there. This is gonna be a very nice design. It's looking floral. Oh my gosh, we got red Picasso leaves. So pretty. You know, I would describe the dirtiness of the Picasso beads. The powder that comes off of there, it's like clay. Like in Georgia, when I used to go up to Georgia with my family, because they have a hunting place up there, a cabin, there's clay everywhere, and that's what it's like. It's like clay. So here we have another Picasso. This is the white, or maybe this is travertine. This might be the travertine. This is neat. I have not seen a leaf in this color yet. That's cool looking. More flowers. This box has the best check beads. Look at how gorgeous they are. Aren't those beautiful? Fancy. And turquoise, my most favorite color. I love turquoise and red together. I feel like turquoise goes with everything though. It's beautiful. And here is, no, not that one. This one. I think this is the flower that I have. And I think I actually got mine from the Check Beads exclusive box. So pretty. So this Picasso in the yellow, it does appear to be more brown. Remember how I said that the Picasso shows up really well in certain colors? This one here, it looks more brown. But like looking at this orange one here, you could see the blue-green in the veins there of the flower. But I do also wonder if it's just like when they're being made, the process. Because, for example, I got beige Picasso seed beads from one seller. And then I was running out of them. And I went to another seller. And when I received them, they were a total different looking bead. I know that they were the same. They were way lighter though. Like the first time I got them, they were beige like this. And then the second time I got them, they were even lighter than that. And they had less Picasso on them, if that makes sense to you. This is bronze. See that? Not Picasso, but bronze. Those are pretty. I like those. Okay, and we have a chain here that looks like a extender chain. Antique bronze. And then we have 3mm check fire polish beads. I'm trying to remember the color. Every time I get these from a different seller, they always call them something else. They're not calling these Picasso. I think it was like, I have sea beads in this color, and they're actually called oats, something oats. And then I've seen them alabaster with travertine, something like that. I've seen different stores call them by different names. But there's a bunch in there. Those are 3mm check flat polish. And these are probably going to be the spacer beads, I'm thinking, to go in between these other beads. So this is it. I'm very excited about this. I love flowers. If you watch my videos, you should know that. And this looks like it's going to be a floral themed project. So I'm very excited to do it. And again, I will have pictures at the beginning and end of this video of what this finished project will look like. So make sure that you check out the pictures. This is it. Remember, I will have a link for the subscription box down there below in the description bar. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.